Differentiation plays the major role in industries, maybe related to your studies, or maybe related to some of the derivations, or maybe related to some of the, what I can say, manufacturing, right? So while manufacturing, this differentiation also plays a major role. When comes to your communication signals, so it plays a major role. So and systems, like systems can be represented in your differential equations. So wherever that the thing or an expression that can be formed in in the form of differential equation, so those are comes under this applications of differentiation, right? So for your AP ECET syllabus, right, so there are majorly four applications of this under this differentiation, right? So those are like, one is tangent and normal. In this, questions will be asked in two ways. One is finding the equation of a tangent, equation of a normal, then length of tangent, length of normal, length of subtangent, length of subnormal, like that. This is the one way in that the question is coming. And the second way is finding the angle between the two curves, so that can be formed by that can be found by using the m1 and m2. So those, like, we will be seeing in further. So next is the next application you have is, so next application you have rate measure. So we are not that much sure that the question will come from this rate measure or not. So in this you have the questions about finding the velocity of a particle, finding the acceleration of a particle at some particular time, or maybe at particular position, like that, right? Then we have the maxima and minima. So this is purely related to the functions, finding the maximum and minimum values, or we can say extreme values, or we can say limit, upper limit and lower limit of a function. So then using this differentiation, so this is the major, or we can say second order differentiation plays major role here, right? Next we have errors and approximations. So in this is purely related to your designing and measurements, right? So if any kind of an error, or if any error there in measuring some length, radius, like that, so if you have that kind of errors, so then what will be the effect on its parameters, like area, volume, like that, right? So first we will be going to see this tangent and normal. So tangent is kind of in a line that is touching a curve at one point, right? So and that tangent is here, it is denoted by or defined by taking the derivative of that particular curve and substituting that point, so that will become your slope of tangent. So nothing but one more thing here, the condition is a tangent is kind of in a line that is touching a circle at circle, or maybe curve touching at one point, and at that point the slope of this curve and the slope of this tangent both are equal, right? So now try to see. So we know a tangent is a curve line that touches the curve at one point. So this is the point. So and the other thing is your normal. So normal is a line that is passing through the point where this tangent is touching this curve, and it is perpendicular to this tangent, that is 90 degrees, right? So you can see a tangent to the curve is a line that touches the curve at one point and has the same slope as the curve at that point. ఈ పాయింట్ దగ్గర ఉన్న కర్వ్ కి ఈ టాంజెంట్ కి సేమ్ స్లోప్ ఉంటుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ టాంజెంట్, రైట్? నెక్స్ట్ ఈస్ నార్మల్ టు ఏ కర్వ్ that is drawn perpendicular to this tangent. Slope of the tangent, let us suppose you have an a y is equal to f of x is a curve. So at a point p of x1 comma y1, and this slope is defined by the derivative of this f of whatever f of x is there at a point p of x, p1 px1 comma y1, right? So taking the derivative of this dy by dx, that is equal to f dash of x at a point p of x1 comma y1, right? So from this slope, so there are many possibilities, that there are the many parameters that you can able to find it. So those are equation of tangent, equation of normal, length of tangent, length of subnormal, like those things. So let me see those things. So if the equation or the curve, the equation of tangent will become, if the curve y is equal to f of x at a point p of x1 comma y1, then your equation of tangent is given by y minus y1 into m into x minus x1. So where m is the slope of the tangent, right? So slope of tangent is nothing but your m, And one more thing is slope of normal is your minus 1 by m nana. Remember this thing. So question okosari what is the slope of the tangent, what is the slope of the normal అని అడుగుతాడు, right? So similarly in case of your tangent it is y minus y1 is equal to x minus x1. Then here equation of normal over y minus y1 that is equal to x minus x1, but here there is a change in the slope, that is minus 1 by m, right? So next see, that is related to one curve nana. One curve ki manamu tangent ni normally draw chestam. Now try to see, so what is the angle between two curves? When let us suppose you have this thing, so you have in a curve like y is equal to f of x, and you have another curve like this, it is g of x. So now you need to find the angle between these wherever it is intersecting. So that is defined by tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So and this m1 is the slope of the first tangent and m2 is the slope of the second tangent, right? So one more thing, let us suppose this m1 into m2 will become minus 1, then the angle between these two curves will be 90 degrees. If m1 into m2 will become minus 1, then the angle between these two curves will be 90 degrees nana. So you can also check it. So just take one example, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, where it will happen. Let us suppose m1 is 2 and m2 is minus 1 by 2. Now substitute these values here, definitely it will reach to infinity. So then it is tan inverse of infinity will become 90 degrees, right? Now see, this is the curve, this is the tangent, that is here we are limiting this tangent at from point to p. This is the length of tangent and this is the peak length of what I can say normal, right? So length of tangent pt is given by y1 into under root 1 plus m square by m. Then pq, that is length of normal, that is given by y into under root m1 1 plus m square. So just the difference here, it is m is dividing, it is not dividing. Next, length of subtangent, it is given by mod of y1 by m, because length is always in positive, that's why we taken the mod, even though it is the getting the it is resulting in negative value, so we will be taking the positive only. So length of subtangent subnormal will be y1 into m under the mod, right? Now try to see the question. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve x square is equal to 4y at a point 1 comma 2. Now see, so what are the things we require to find the equation of tangent? So what is the equation of tangent? Y minus y1, that is equal to m into x minus x1. So basically first we require this m value, that m is nothing but your slope. So just take the differentiation of this thing. So first make from this y is equal to x square by 4, right? So now if you take dy by dx, what will become? Tell me. 2x by 4. So here it will become x by 2. This is your dx dy by dx, right? Now if you want to find this m, so m is nothing but differentiation or derivative of that function at particular point that they given, that is dy by dx at point, what is the point nana? 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2, so it will become here x is what? X is 1, right? So 1 by 2 is your m value. So now substitute in the place of y minus y1. y1 is your 2 and x1 is your 1. So tell me what it is getting. What is the equation?
Option 1, sir.
So this is the one way to solve the question by taking the formula. The second way is by substituting the point in the given options. So then also you will be able to get the answer, right? So try to see here we have point 1 comma 2. So 4 options are there. Substitute in the place of x as 1 and y as 2. So tell me which option is satisfying that condition. If you substitute
Option 1
the
and
equation
2.
1, option 1 and 2, okay, yes, maybe. So if you substitute here 1 minus 2 into 2 4 plus 3, yes, it is satisfying. Next here 2 into 1 2 plus 2 minus 4, yes, it is also satisfying. So now if in this case, first try to check with the option. In this case, if any more than one option is satisfying, go with the normal process. So now try to find the what I can say normal to this equation of normal to this question. Find the equation of normal. So just there is a change in formula, that is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1.
2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0, sir.
Very good. 2x minus y minus 4 or plus 4?
Minus 4.
Y plus, right? Yes, it is y this side only, plus it will come. So now you can see the first option is representing the equation of tangent and second option will be representing the equation of normal, right? So now try to solve the next question. I'm not giving any option here. Finding the equation of the normal to the curve y is equal to 5x power 4 at point 1 comma 5. So tell me what m is coming.
20x cube.
Yes, that is dy by dx. Don't confuse between these.
20.
Dy by
20,
dx
sir.
will become 20x cube. Yes. So now m will become, m is the
20.
differentiation of this dy by dx at point this 1 comma 5. What will become?
20, sir.
So your m will become 20 only, right? If you substitute in the place of x as 1, it will become 20. Now tell me what is the equation of normal?
20x plus minus y minus 99 equal to 0.
20x
Minus y minus 99 equal to 0.
is equal
X
to
plus
0. This thing is
20y
correct.
minus
Just substitute
99.
this point. Just substitute this point. If it is satisfying, then your answer is correct. Tell me other answer. X plus
20y minus 99 is equal to 0.
99.
Sorry, sir. Minus 101.
Yes. This is not the
So,
correct
నేను
answer. If
equation
you
of
substitute
tangent చెప్పినా సార్.
tangent, even though it is a tangent, it need to be satisfy this equation. 1 comma 5. So what will become? 20 into 1, 20 minus 5 minus 99. Is it satisfying? Y minus y1 is 5 is equal to your m is 20. If you find this equation of tangent, it will become x minus x1 is 1. So what will become? Y minus 5 is equal to 20x minus 20. Right? So what will become? 20x minus y minus 15. Yes, is equal to 0. This is the equation of your tangent ma. So now if you substitute in the place of x as 1, it will become 20 minus y is 5 minus 15 is equal to 0. Now it is satisfying or not?
Yes, sir.
So you can also check whether it is satisfying or not, right? Now let us move to the next question. Y is equal to x cube plus 1 at 1 comma 2. Find the equation of normal.
X plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, sir.
Very good. X plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 is the correct answer. So try to calculate. Dy by dx will become what? 3x square. So if you want m, you need to substitute in the place of x as 1. So your m will become 3, right?
Yes, sir.
So now equation of normal, y minus y1 is 2. That is equal to minus 1 by m. That is minus 1 by 3 into x minus 1. Right? So now if you take if you take this 3 to this side, it will come 3y minus 2 minus 6. That is equal to minus x plus 1. Right? So take this minus x to this side, it will come x minus 3y minus 6 minus plus 1 comes to this side, it will become minus 1. So total become minus x. So this is plus na plus 3y. Yes. X plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 is the correct answer. Now try to solve the second question and tell me the answer. What m
2x
value coming?
1 by 2, sir.
2x. Yes, m is
2x
1 by 2.
2x plus y minus 18 is equal to 0.
18.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. 2x plus y minus 18 is equal to 0 is the correct answer. All of you got, or I need to explain? Y square is equal to 6x. So you can directly do the differentiation in this way also. Or if you want to do y is equal to under root 6x, you can also do in that way. So then dy by dx will become what? Root 6 is the constant. So root x, what is the differentiation of root x? That is 1 by 2 root x. Right? So simply m will become dy by dx at 6 comma 6. If you substitute in the place of x as 6, so it will come root 6 into 1 by 2 root 6. So root 6 will get cancelled. Your m is equal to 1 by 2. Right? So as this is an equation of normal, it will come y minus y1 is 6, that is equal to minus 1 by m is, it will come minus 2 into x minus x1 is 6 again. So y minus 6 minus 2x is equal to minus 2x plus 12. Right? So take this minus 2x and plus 12 to this side. 2x plus y minus 6 minus 12 will come minus 18. That is equal to 0. Clear? Now try to see the next question. 2y is equal to 3 minus x square. Find length of tangent, length of subtangent, length of normal, length of subnormal, equation of normal, equation of tangent at 1 comma 1. So all the parameters included here. First tell me what is m value coming.
-1, sir.
-1.
Yes, very good, -1. So your m is equal to -1. Tell me equation of tangent.
2 is equal to 0, sir.
Very good. X plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So it will come y minus y1 is 1, that is equal to m1, that is m is -1 into x minus 1. So it will come here minus x comes to this side, x plus y minus 1. This come -1 into -1 plus 1. Come to this side, it will come -1. So it will come -2 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent. Tell me equation of normal.
X minus y is equal to 0.
Yes,
X minus y is equal to 0.
sir.
Tell me what is length of tangent. So length of tangent will become mod of y1 under root 1 plus m square divided by m.
Root 2, sir.
Very good, root is the correct answer. Tell me equation of length of normal. That is simply without m denominator. It will become
Root 2, sir.
very good, root 2 only. 1 plus m square. Tell me what is length of subtangent. That is given by mod of y1 by
y2.
m. y2, where is y2? So what will become?
1, sir.
1, very good. What is the length of subnormal? That is given by mod of y1 into m.
1, sir.
1.
Yes, very good. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. See, all are there here. Let us move to the next question. The length of tangent at any point theta on the curve x is equal to a cos cube theta, comma y is equal to a sin cube theta is. సో ఇక్కడ మీకు పాయింట్ ఇవ్వలేదు ఎక్కడ అని, ఎక్కడైనా కానీ ఎంత టాంజెంట్ లెక్క లెంత్ ఎంత అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో దే గివెన్ హియర్ టూ ఫంక్షన్స్, వన్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ కాస్ క్యూబ్ థీటా అండ్ వై ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ సైన్ క్యూబ్ థీటా. సో హౌ టు ఫైండ్ ద వాట్ ఐ కెన్ సే m, that is dy by dx, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
which type of differentiation this is?
Partial parametric differentiation.
Yes, parametric differentiation. So in this you need to take the differentiation of y with respect to theta and differentiation of x with respect to theta. So a is a constant here. Take the differentiation of sin cube theta, what will become?
3 sin square theta cos theta.
3 sin square theta
Cos theta.
cos theta divided by a into 3 cos square theta
Into
minus
sin.
into minus sin theta, right? So 3 will get cancelled, a will get cancelled, 1 sin will get cancelled, 1 cos will get cancelled. What is the remaining?
Minus tan theta.
మైనస్ tan theta. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ m నానా. ఎందుకు ఇది m అంటున్నామంటే డైరెక్ట్గా మనము ఇక్కడ మనకు టీటా వాల్యూ ఇవ్వలేదు వాడు, రైట్? సో టీటా ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి యువర్ m విల్ బికమ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ మైనస్ tan theta. సో నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ టాంజెంట్? దట్ ఈస్ mod of y1 under root 1 plus m square divided by m, right? So substitute in the place of tan theta as minus m in the place of m as minus tan theta and tell me what it is coming. Y1 just simply assume this value only because they haven't given the y value na. So simply a sin cube theta into under root 1 plus tan square theta will come what?
Secant square theta.
Secant square theta. Under root secant square theta will become what? Secant theta
Secant theta.
divided by minus tan theta. So now try to solve and tell me the answer.
Sin square theta, sir.
Very good. A sin square theta is the correct answer. Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. So tan theta can be written as sin by cos. Cos will get cancel. 1 sin will get cancel. You will get a sin square theta as your length of tangent. Clear?
Yes, sir.
One more thing. This slope also can be called as a gradient, nana. Now try to see this question. The gradient at 1 comma 1 to the curve xy plus x plus ay is equal to 0 is 2. Then find the a value. So gradient anna slope anna otenana. Ee curve yokka slope at this point they given as 2. You just need to find the a value. So how to solve this question? First try to make the dy by dx what it is coming, and in that we can substitute 1 comma 1, right? So tell me x into y, you need to apply the definitely product rule. So what will become? X into dy by dx plus y into differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 plus 1 plus a into dy by dx, that is equal to 0, right? So now take dy by dx common here. If you take dy by dx common, it will come what? X plus a, and send the remaining other things to this side, minus of 1 plus y. Now what dy by dx will become? So minus of 1 plus y divided by x plus a, and what they given? The slope, that is 2, right? So now m is equal to 2, that is equal to, so here m is nothing but dy by dx at point this x comma y as 1 comma 1, right? So substitute in the place of x and y as 1 comma 1 and try to find the a value equal to 2, this one. Substitute in the place of x and y as 1. What is a value?
Minus 2, sir.
-2.
Very good. Minus 2 is the correct answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us move to the next model, that is finding the angle between two curves, nana. So ఇక్కడ కూడా మళ్ళీ మనకు టూ పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటి వచ్చేసి టూ కర్వ్స్ ఇస్తాడు, తర్వాత పాయింట్ ఇస్తాడు ఎక్కడ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి. కొన్నిసార్లు ఏమైనా ఇస్తాడంటే కొన్నిసార్లు పాయింట్ ఇవ్వడం అనమాట. సో మనం ఆ పాయింట్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, రైట్? సో హౌ టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్? Try to see. So finding the angle between two curves, that is given by theta is equal to tan inverse of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, right? So now try to calculate the m1, finding the slope of this equation 1. So dy by dx is equal to what, ma? 2x plus 3. Yes or no? Now substitute in the place of x as 2. Tell me what m1 is coming.
1.
1.
7, sir.
7, sir.
Very good, 7. Now you have y square is equal to 2x plus 5, right? So you can take under root something, or you can also solve directly. Y square differentiation is 2y into dy by dx.
Sir, 2.
That is equal to 2. So 2 will get cancelled definitely. What is dy by dx? 1 by
1 by
y. What is
1 by
y?
1 by 3.
So 1 by 3. This is your m2. So try to substitute in the place of m1 as 7 and m2 as 1 by 3. Tell me what it is coming. This is one of your previous ECET question.
2, sir.
2.
Tan theta is equal to 2. Theta will become what?
Tan inverse of 2.
Very good. Tan inverse of 2 is the correct answer. సో ఆప్షన్స్లో ఎలా ఉన్నాయంటే సైన్ థీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2, కాస్ థీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2, టాన్ థీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, సీకెంట్ థీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు. ఈ అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినప్పుడు మా సో డైరెక్ట్గా మీకు ఆన్సర్ తెలియకపోయినా కానీ సీకెంట్ టాన్ థీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 అని పెట్టేయచ్చు, రైట్? You can see the solution here. Now try to see the next question. Find the angle between the two curves y is equal to x cube and 6y is equal to 7 minus x square at 1, 1. Try to calculate and tell me the answer. Tell me what m1 and m2 are coming.
3 and minus 1 by 3, sir.
Very good. m1 is coming 3, m2 is coming minus 1 by 3. So then what is the theta?
90 degrees, sir.
Yes, very good. So definitely from just seeing the values of m1 and m2, so what is m1 and m2 coming? That is minus 1, right? m1 into m2 will become minus 1. So then definitely theta will become 90 degrees. That is pi by 2. Clear? All of you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Now try to see the question. Find the point of contact. Find the point xy square is equal to 2 and y square is equal to 4x, and also find the angle between the curves. So just first you need to find the point of contact where these two curves are intersecting, right? ఇక్కడ మీకు పాయింట్ ఇవ్వలేదు. So first you need to find the point. How to find the point? Here x is equal to y square, xy square is equal to 2, y square is equal to 4x. Let us suppose this equation is 1 and this equation is 2. So here you can see in the place of y square, it is xy square or xy? No, it is just xy, nana. Just remove this y square. So in the place of, from this you can make y is equal to something. What y will become? Under root 4x. Yes or no? So now in the place of y you can substitute as under root 4x. It will become x into under root 4x can be written as 2x, 2 under root x, that is equal to 2. So these two will get cancel. It will become x power 3 by 2 is equal to 1. What x will become, ma?
1.
1.
Very good. Right? So now if you substitute in the place of x as 1, what y will become?
2.
Y square is equal to 4. Then y is equal to plus or minus 2, nana. Right? So it will become plus or minus 2. So for your m1 and m2, you can consider any value, either plus 2 or minus 2, but you need to consider the same in both the cases. So first try to calculate the m1. What m1 will become? Your point is now 1, 2.
Minus 2, sir, first. For the first one.
Yes, m1 is the minus 2. And m2, tell me m2.
1, sir.
1.
1?
2.
No. Very good. m2 is equal to 2, nana. Now tell me what theta will become?
Sir, M2 ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి, sir.
m2. So simply y square, that is 2y into divided by dx, that is equal to 4. So 2 ones, 2 twos, y is equal to 2, right? So okay, then your m2 will become 1. Yes. Tell me what tan inverse will come. Tan theta is equal to theta is equal to.
Tan inverse of 3, sir.
Very good. Tan inverse of 3 is the correct answer. All have you got?
Yes, sir.
Now let us try to see the next question. Length of subnormal to the curve y square is equal to 2px. There is no point given. So first try to calculate the m value or divided by dx, whatever it is getting. If point is not given, don't substitute. Keep it as y or x. Tell me what divided by dx will become.
P by y, sir.
2p. So 2 will get cancelled. What divided by dx will become? 1 by
P by
that
y.
is p by y. P by y. Right? So now in the place of here, length of subnormal will come mod of y1 into m. Right? So now this y1 will be just treat as y only because they haven't given any point. Y into what is this m, that is p by y. So this y and will get cancelled. Your answer is p. So that is your length of subnormal. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.